Hey guys, I am so excited about today's video. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. My name's Autumn, and on this channel we do a ton of things. I like to do all the things. So I do cash budgeting, cash stuffing, I do soap and candle making, crafting, tumbler making, design, decorating, all the things. But right now I'm working on my new budget for this week for my cash stuffing. And I have been watching Missy Money on YouTube, and I will link her YouTube channel and all of the everything that I talk about in this video below in the description box. But she's got this really cool tool that she designed, and first of all, it has this monthly goals planner, which is amazing. So this is for the month, and I accidentally deleted mine, but next week I will do this video specifically for the month setup for October. So because we're in the right time frame for that. But today I want to work on this paycheck and cash planner. So a lot of us have the sheets that we use that we itemize all of our variable expenses, our wallets, our sinking funds, and all of those things, and we put them on the sheet, and then we write down how much we're stuffing, and then we put in our bill denominations. Well, this cash planner and paycheck planner is real handy because it keeps track for you and keeps the math up for you. So let me just get into it and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so right here's what you put in your pay details. So for this week, I will be getting $910, and that happens on the 18th. And this is 25% of my income because I get paid every week, and there's 4 weeks in this month of September, so that's 25%. So see up here, it has put left to allocate $910, so my total net pay, and here as well. So when I come down in here, I'm going to start off with my wallet, and I'm going to put fuel, and I'm going to tab over and put $50. And as soon as I hit tab, it automatically reduces my left to allocate. It subtracts the $50 or whatever I put in for my amount and reduces it, which is so handy, guys. Like math, sometimes the math isn't mathing, right? So I love that feature. So then I'm going to put in my groceries, or I'm going to learn how to spell groceries. And my groceries every week is $150. Again, reduces the amount up here. Love that. Then I have dine out. And that for us, I'm going to put in 40. And for coffee at the church, I usually put in 10. So that's usually what I carry in my wallet. And right now I have $660 left to allocate. And over here it says so far my total cash withdrawal is $250. So it's keeping the running tallies for me, which is just incredible. So then I'm going to go over here to my sinking funds. And I'm going to put in my first one. The cool thing about this is that you have the ability to change all this information, but the system itself and what is it called? The program, the math, the settings are all locked in. So you can't change any of these things, right? You can't change the word. Oh, you can change the word overview. Interesting. You can't change certain things on here. So I don't know. Maybe it's not this one. Yeah, maybe it's this one. There are a few things that are locked in that you can't change at all. And you can't change how the spreadsheet does the math, which I like because I would go and mess it up likely. So let's do this. So category number 1 for me, I'm going to do my bills. Actually, let's see. I thought there was one for bills. So I guess there isn't like a bills one. Okay, so I'm going to do my bills first. So I'm going to do car payment. I think it's over here. Let me look back here. Yeah, so your bills are here, your variable expenses, your sinking funds. And this is total. So like I said, I'll go through this for October so we can get a better look at that. But for my car payment this week, it's $150. And I will just do a 100 and 150. And look how, like, you don't have to go back and do this separately, which I like. But let me go back here real fast. I'll do that last, actually. So we're gonna go back and do, and what I love about this is that you can even use this if you're not doing cash stuffing, right? You don't have to use the denominations, but it's a great way to see how your funds are being allocated for the week. But I love this tool, guys. I absolutely love it. And it's reasonably priced. It's $19 for the download for the 2. So you can't beat that. And I'll have a link in the description box below so you can get a discount as well on all the products. So, okay, car payment. And then I have, Discover card. And my Discover card is $250, I think. Let me just, yeah. And so I'm gonna pull out 200s and a 50. And then I have Capital One. And that one is 150. And so I'll pull out 1 and a 50. And then for my trailer, I'm just gonna pull out 50 for that, and then I'll just pull out a 50. Perfect. So then I've got all my sinking funds. So I've got pupper food, and interesting. So see right here, I only have $60 left to allocate for the week, right? So I have to figure out what I need to allocate where. So in hindsight, I'm going to go over here to my dine out category, and I'm going to remove the $40. So I'm not going to stuff anything in my dine out, and I'm actually going to go in here real fast and do my denominations for this. So 2 20s and a 10, groceries is $100 bill and a 50. Dine out with nothing, and then my coffee, I usually do 2 5s. Perfect. So there's that. So now I have $100 left for this, and I'm just gonna go through and add in my sinking funds real quick, and then I will go through them all. So actually, yeah, so I've got pupper food, vet, grooming, okay, so those are all of my sinking funds. So this week, I know my P.O. box is getting $5. So I'll do $5. Education's getting nothing. Nails is getting nothing. Hair is getting 20. Grooming is getting nothing. Vet is getting 20. And I think that's it for those this week. And then for my savings challenges, I actually have trackers, 3 trackers that I am consistently stuffing for Black Friday. First one's Black Friday. And this, I make sure that I allocate the funds from each pay for each week. And so the amount for Black Friday is 30, and that's a 20 and a 10. And then I've got Thanksgiving, and that amount is $5, and that's a 5. And then the following one is birthdays, and that is 15. Okay, so I've got $5 left to allocate, and so I think I will put that in. Let me do it in vet because my older dog has to get shots. and I will put it here. No, not $11. I'll put it there. So now I've got $0 left to allocate from my paycheck. And then whatever is left over in my wallet, whatever, if I have any money left over, will go to my other savings challenges. So, you know, I have scratchers, I have other savings challenges, the 52 envelope one, anything like that. So this is so awesome. It shows me this. I have 0 left to allocate, so I've done well there. And then it tells me right here, so if I get out my teller slip to take to the credit union tomorrow. Oh, wait. Why does it say grand total to withdraw $9.50? But I only put $9.10. Let's see. Interesting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this up here should be 910. I don't know why it isn't. Let's quick do some math. Okay, guys, that's so weird that this says 950 here because I added up all of these things and it is 910. So I'm not sure why it says grand total to withdraw 950. This equals 950. Oh, you know why? Because I did something wrong here. So let's go back and check. So 2 20s and a 10 equals 50. 150. 2 5s equals 10. That's right. So 150. Yes. 200 and 150. 100 and 150. 150. Perfect. I have a 20 and a 5. 120. 1 5. Here it is. See this here? I put, instead of 1, I put, there we go. Okay, so then what did I do wrong? Because we're still at 9:30. Oh, hit enter, Autumn. There we go. So now it says 9:10. So I love that there's a checks and balances system. And I'm glad that I got to show you guys that because welcome to my world. So that's what I'm saying. I love that this is left here. And then up here when you say, okay, well, that said 950, I absolutely didn't need to pull 950 because I'm only getting 910. So there's that. So that's really cool. I love this program. Let me know in the comments if you like this program. Again, I'll have everything linked and listed in the description box for Missy Money below. I also have a 10% off code for you guys. So if it's something you're interested, go ahead and click that 10% off. It's $19. It's so worth the money in my opinion. And then you can actually print this out so you can have it next to you when you're doing your actual cash stuffing, or you could make it easy if you want to and just transfer it if you have to handwrite things. Sometimes I do that. I really enjoy the handwriting of seeing it in my writing on the piece of paper, like pen to paper situation. I would do that too. You can do that as well. But this just gives you the nice math portion, the easy deductions, and it's keeping track for you, which I like. So you're not completely stumped. What did I do? And have to go back and recount everything all over again. Okay, guys, that's a video for today. Thanks for sticking around with me. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something. If you're interested, like I said, everything being linked and listed in the box below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.